I'm more than 3 hours in this traffic, man. It was flooding, and I don't know what happened, but they had something on the walls. If you go through the water, and what's gonna happen? You're gonna get a flat tire. So, oh man, it was they sent us message on the phone. There was risk of flooding, but you know, it is what it is. You still gonna make this money. So they all come on the emergency line and they try to bash you. See? You're not professional doing that. You know, they causing, you know, you're not supposed to do that. Wow. It's not being professional though. At all. It's not being professional. So what he's doing, he's coming on the emergency line and he's gonna try to cut me. You know, it's not the way. If you're professional, it's not the way you should drive.